Hanwha Vision's OnCloud has a robust notification system designed to alert users of incidents and analytics events captured on camera. Notifications can be sent to users via email and push notification to mobile devices and are viewable through the web browser on the Notifications dashboard. The Notifications dashboard can be accessed by clicking the bell icon on the right side of OnCloud's navigation bar. All existing notifications will be listed on this page with details including the notification's location, area, type, and time. Clicking on a notification will bring you to the camera footage surrounding the event. When viewing video from the notification, click the Close button to return to the Notifications dashboard. Click on the Notifications Settings button in the top right corner of the page. Your event notifications will be listed on this page. Users can pause all notifications by clicking the Pause All Notification button. All notifications can be unpaused by clicking Resume All Notifications. Each notification entry can be expanded to reveal details of the notification. Clicking the Edit icon will reveal a context menu with options to quickly edit individual details of the notification, to individually pause or resume the notification, and to delete it from the system. To create a new notification, click on Set up a new notification to reveal the notification setup wizard. Fill in the notification title and click Continue. Select the event trigger. Multiple event triggers can be set for a notification. Select the location for the notification. This will reveal a filtered list of devices broken down by area. You can enable the checkbox next to an area to include all camera devices within that area, or expand the area to pick individual camera devices under it. If a camera device under an area does not support the analytic event set in the notification, a warning will be visible under that device. Once one or more devices or an area is enabled, click Continue. An optional schedule can be created for individual notifications. Click Skip to continue on to the next step. Or, clicking the plus icon will allow you to schedule the notification for certain days of the week as well as a time block. Notifications will not be sent outside of the days and times scheduled. Click Create to continue to the next step. Select users who will receive the notification. If no users are selected, the notification will be sent to the system administrator and be viewable on the Notifications dashboard. The next step allows you to choose the notification type. Enable email and/or push notifications by enabling the checkbox besides each type. Once the notification has been created, it will be available in the My Notifications list. System notifications are a separate category of notifications that allow you to receive general system updates. Click on System Notifications to enable or disable the receipt of marketing material, new device notifications, and new feature updates to the account. To learn more about OnCloud, visit us at hanwhavisionamerica.com.